Hello, good morning students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the second point of all about glass. What we are going to study about? All about glass. The first point which we studied about glass is what? How glass is made. Correct? How glass is made. Then we studied glass is made. Glass is made from sand, okay, and the chemical reaction which is done along with sand is what? We have to take white sand, in that we have to mix lime and we have to mix soda, three things, and after heating, what will happen? We have to heat it for a long time, and once we heat it, it will turn into liquid, and when it will turn into liquid, then you can mold it into any shapes, okay. That was first point. Second point is how glass is shaped. There are so many molds, correct or not? Molds means what? Sacha, and in that molds we can put that liquid of glass, or that glass which is turned into liquid, we can pour it into the molds, and then you can make various different types of shapes. Either you can press it or beat it, harden it, but you don't have to hammer it, or you don't have to hammer it, or you can say you don't have to press it when it is cool, okay. When it is hot, at that time only you have to do that all processes. Next one, third point of the lesson is some properties of glass. Now there are some important properties of glass that we have to study here. Is glass has many useful properties. It is transparent. Transparent म्हणजे काय? आर पार दिसतं, right? It is transparent. You can see through it. It is strong and hard. You can put a lot of load on it. It is impermeable. It does not allow water or other liquid to pass through and doesn't get soggy or stained itself. Glass has no effect on the food, water or other substances stored in glass containers. In other words, it does not impart a smell or taste to them. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. And last but not the least, important is the fact that it look beautiful. No wonder then that it is used to make so many things. Glass, what do you know meaning of glass in Marathi? Glass means what? Kaach, correct or not? There are so many slides. We have slides, window pans are there. Then glass, काचीचे भांडे असतात, काचीचं bowl, काचीचा glass, काचीचं काय असतं अजून tray. There are so many things. There are many what we call in living room we have what? Tipway असतो ना, on which we can keep tea. That table is also of glass. There are so many things. Light bulbs are of glass. Understood? And here it is told that glass is transparent. We can see through it. First point is what? First property is what? It is transparent. It does not impart smell. ग्लासचा स्वतःहून वास येत नाही. इट डज नॉट बिकम सॉगी और स्टेंड. सॉगी मीन्स वॉट? त्याच्यावरती आपण काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला इन रेनी सीझन बुरशी. सॉगी मीन्स वॉट? इट डज नॉट, त्याच्यावरती बुरशी आपोआप चढत नाही. इट डज नॉट गेट सॉगी अँड स्टेंड ऑटोमॅटिकली. इफ वी विल टच, नाउ इफ आय एम प्रिपेरिंग फूड अँड माय हँड्स आर fully dirty with what? With dough, okay, and then if I will touch the glass, what will happen? That dough will touch the glass and then that place will become soggy. म्हणजे काय तिथं काय होणार आहे? बुरशी तयार होणार आहे. But what is main reason? Glass does not becomes stained or it does not imparts smell itself. That is third what? That is third property of the glass. Fourth one, at last it is told that it looks very beautiful and it has no effect. If you will keep anything in glass container, correct? If you will keep eatables, if you will keep curry, more if you will keep sweet eatables in the glass, it does not shows any effect. Glassचा काहीच effect होत नाही. It does not makes food dirty. So glass can be used for so many things. Understood? So keep in mind, first is what? It is transparent. Then it does not impart smell or taste. Then third one, it can be washed easily. It does not allow water or liquid to pass through it. Water or liquid does not pass from glass. Understood? These are some properties of glass. Now next point is colored glass. Now there are so many, खूप सारे काचा अशा असतात की त्या कलर्ड असतात. Then how they get color? It is told that they are colorless. Glasses are colorless, but we can make them colored by the process. Here it is told that ordinary glass is colorless. How is ordinary glass? Ordinary glass is colorless, but it is possible to produce colored and transparent glass by using different combinations of chemicals in the glass making process. We have to add some chemicals during the process of glass making. When you are using lime, when you are using soda and when you are using white sand, त्याच्यामध्ये अजून काही केमिकल्स टाकायचे आणि डिफरंट कलर्स द्यायचे. नाव ग्लासचे कोणते कोणते कलर असतात? ग्लास कॅन बी मेड इन ब्लू कलर, ग्लास कॅन बी मेड इन वॉलेट कलर, ग्लास कॅन बी मेड इन टर्कोइश कलर. ओके, टर्कोइश कलर, turquoise color means it is what? Two colors are mixed, blue and blue plus green. You have to mix these two colors, blue and green. When you will mix blue and green color, it will become turquoise. Next one is ruby red. Ruby red color is what? Ruby red color is the color which has red and pink. Next one is amber, A-M-B-E-R, amber color. Amber color is made by the mixture of yellow and orange. Amber color is made by mixing two colors, yellow and orange. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही yellow and orange color mix करता त्यावेळेस तो कोणता होतो? Amber. Orange color you know, भगवा. Deep yellow you know, purple color you know. Next one is amethyst. Amethyst color. Amethyst color is mixture of which two colors? Reddish and purple. Red color and purple color you have to mix. Okay, you have to mix which colors? Red and purple color. Then it will become amethyst. Yellow and orange amber, red and pink ruby red, blue and green turquoise. Okay, pronunciation you keep in mind: turquoise, amethyst. Understood? In this way there are colored glasses also. Glasses are also having colors. Understood? Remaining part of the lesson we will study in next week's Thursday's period. I think you have understood lesson till here. If there is any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.